What's up, traders? If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how Willis Capital's customized trading platform works. Once you have purchased or signed up for your account, the first step is to log in. Here, you'll enter your email and password into the fields provided. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button, and you'll be directed to the dashboard. Welcome to your dashboard. As you can see, it's simple and intuitive. The Willis Capital logo is visible, and the platform is broken down into a few key sections. Let's go over each one. At the top, you'll see the account summary, which includes your balance, equity, free funds, margin level, and profit. These numbers will update as you open and manage trades. Now, let's move to the phase progress. This area shows your progress in the different phases of the skill check process. For example, in Phase 1, you have a specific profit target to meet. If you move on to Phase 2 or beyond, this section will track that as well. Make sure to also note the maximum daily loss and overall loss limits for your account. These are critical parameters you must stay within to pass each phase. Next, let's explore the calendar feature. This section provides valuable information about news events and how they might impact currency pairs. For traders who rely on fundamental analysis, this is a key feature. The calendar lists news with varying degrees of impact, from low to high. For example, if you see news with a high impact on the British pound, GBP, it will likely affect GBP-related currency pairs. You can also monitor top movers, which are currency pairs experiencing the most volatility at any given time. This is useful for identifying potential trading opportunities. On the left, you'll find the Symbols section. Here, you can view all available trading symbols. You can filter them by asset classes like Forex, commodities, or indices. If you frequently trade certain pairs, you can add them to your favorites by selecting the star icon next to each symbol. Once you add them, they will appear in the Favorites section for easy access. Now let's dive into charting. You can click on any pair and its chart will load. You have the option to zoom in, zoom out, and switch between different time frames such as M1, 1 minute, M5, 5 minute, H1, 1 hour, D1, daily, and more. You can also switch between candlestick and line charts depending on your preference. One of the standout features of Willis Capital is the ability to view multiple charts simultaneously, a premium feature on other platforms like TradingView, but it's free here. You can view up to 4 charts on a single screen, making it easier to analyze multiple markets at once. The platform offers extensive customization options. You can apply technical tools like trend lines, horizontal lines, and Fibonacci retracements directly on the chart. If you're someone who relies on indicators, simply go to the Indicators tab, search for your preferred one, like Moving Average Crossover, and apply it to the chart. You can easily remove any applied indicator if it's not needed by clicking the Cancel button. If you prefer using TradingView charts, the Willis Capital platform allows seamless integration with TradingView. By clicking the TradingView button, you can access the full functionality of TradingView charts right from our platform. This is especially handy for traders who are used to the TradingView interface. For those who prefer different visual experiences, you can easily switch between dark and light mode by clicking on the settings icon. Choose whichever mode feels more comfortable for your trading environment. When you're ready to execute a trade, simply click Buy or Sell based on your analysis. Your open trades will be displayed on the chart, and the platform will track key metrics like the opening price, stop loss, take profit, and current profit or loss. You can monitor your open and closed positions at the bottom of the dashboard. If you'd like to share your trading performance with friends or colleagues, you can use the Share button to capture and send a snapshot of your trade data. The Finance section gives you a complete summary of all your trading activities, including deposits, withdrawals, profits, and losses. You can view both real-time and historical data, making it easy to manage your account balance. And there you have it. Trading on our customized platform is that easy. Are you ready to get funded and start winning? Let's get started.